Hey everyone, welcome to this week's 5-minute cleaning video. I thought it would be a good idea for those of you who don't have time to sit and watch a 20-minute video. This is something that will give you instant cleaning motivation. I'm going to finish up in the kitchen wiping down the counters. I'm using the Method all-purpose cleaner in the scent pomegranate, and this stuff smells amazing. I recently went to Marshall's and picked up a few things to dress up the counter just a bit. I feel like the island is so big it needed some kind of decor. That's it for today's video. I know it went by really fast, but I hope it gave you some motivation. If you would like to see more like this, give this video a thumbs up.